Hello my dear students, welcome back in our online classes of mathematics of class 10. Myself Ashok, maths faculty in GPS English Medium School, Gudagorji. Now today we are going to discuss about chapter number 15 of your book. Name of this chapter is circumference and area of circle. First, basic part of circle. A group of points which is equidistant from a fixed point means group of points means points का एक ऐसा ग्रुप जो एक फिक्स्ड पॉइंट से इक्वल डिस्टेंस पे है. This fixed point is called center of circle and this boundary of circle is called circumference. This boundary of circle is called circumference and this fixed point is center of circle. Next, distance between center of circle to any point on circumference is called radius. Distance between center of circle to any point on circumference and this length is equal to radius of circle. Radius of circle. Okay. Next, in a circle, if we join any 2 points on circumference, then this line segment, again I am saying a line segment joining any 2 points on circumference. A line segment joining any 2 points on circumference. This point is A, another is B. Then line segment AB is called chord. And in a circle, we can draw infinite chords. Like as chord 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to infinite. And in this side we can also draw. Then we can say infinite chords are situated or we can draw in a circle. Next, a special case of chord. If any chord passes through center, then this chord is called diameter. Then this chord is called diameter and diameter is double of radius. Diameter is double of radius. It means we can say diameter is equal to 2 multiply radius. Suppose in example, if diameter is given 12 centimeter, then radius is equal to 6 centimeter, or we can say radius is equal to 3 centimeter, then diameter is equal to 6 centimeter. After that, we will discuss in this chapter circumference and area of circle. Circumference and area of circle. First, boundary line of circle is called circumference. Boundary line, length of boundary line of circle is called circumference. The formula of the circumference of circle. Circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r. Circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r and area of circle is equal to pi r square. Here pi is equal to 22 upon 7 or 3.14 and r is the radius of circle. Okay. If in any circle AB is the diameter of circle, then this diameter divides circle into equal parts. This part is first and second part of circle. First part is equal to second part. It means we can say diameter is always divides a circle in two equal parts. Half of the circle is called semicircle. Half of the circle is called semicircle. Center point is O. OA is the radius and OB is also radius, and this complete part is half circle or semicircle. Half circle or semicircle. Circumference of semicircle. Semicircle. In this part, circumference of semicircle is equal to 2 pi r upon 2, because 2 pi r is the circumference of circle and semicircle is the half of circle. It means 2 pi r upon 2. Then we can say value is equal to pi r. Then formula of the circumference of circle is pi r. Next, perimeter of semicircle. Perimeter of semicircle is equal to pi r plus pi capital R, because radius is capital R. Pi r plus 2r. Perimeter is circumference plus radius means r plus r, 2r plus circumference is the plus circumference, 2r plus circumference is the perimeter of semicircle. Okay, these are the formulas of circle and semicircle. Now in exercise 15.1, question number 1, question is radius of circle is 3.5 centimeter. Find the circumference and area of circle. In exercise 15.1, in question number 1, radius of circle is given. Radius is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Then find the circumference and area of circle. Then find the circumference and area of circle. Circumference is equal to circumference is equal to 2 pi r. 2 into pi means 22 upon 7 into radius r. R is equal to 3.5. 7 1 ja 7, 7 5 ja 35. It means 0.5. 22 5 ja 110, and decimal in one digit means 2 multiply by 11. 11 2 ja 22. Then we can say circumference of circle is 22 centimeter. Next, area of circle is equal to pi r square. Area of circle is pi r square. Pi means 22 upon 7 into r. R means radius. Radius is given 3.5 into 3.5. 7 1 ja 7, 7 5 ja 35. 0.5. Remove point. Then in denominator 10. Because in numerator decimal in one digit, then we can write 10 in denominator. 5 2 ja 10, 5 7 ja 35, 2 1 ja 2, 11 2 ja 22, 11 5 ja 55. It means 5.5 multiply by 7. Then value is 7 5 ja 35 ka 5 carry 3, 7 5 ja 35 plus 3 38. Then 38.5 centimeter square or square centimeter is the area of circle. This is the answer of question number 1. Next, second question. Second question is Second question is, the circumference of a circle is 44 meter. Find the area of the circle. Circumference of the circle is 44 meter. It means in this question circumference is given. Then we can say circumference. Second question of exercise 15.1. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r and this value is given equal to 44. Find the area of circle. It means if we want the area of circle, then first find the radius of circle. 2 pi r is equal to 44, then 2 into pi means 22 upon 7 and radius r. R is equal to 44. Now if we want the value of r, then r in left hand side and rest part is transpose in right hand side. 44, 7 in denominator, then after transpose in numerator, and 2 into 22 in denominator. 2 1s are 2, 22 2s are 44, 22 cancel, value is 7 centimeter. It means circumference is 44, then radius is equal to 7. Okay, now we can find the area of circle. Then we can find the area of circle. Area of circle is equal to pi r square. Pi means 22 upon 7 into r. R means radius 7 and square of 7 is 7 into 7. 7 to 7 cancel. Value is 22. 7s are 154 square centimeter. This is the answer of question number 2. Now next question number 3. Question number 3 is, radius of semicircular plot is 21 meters. Radius of semicircular plot is 21 meters. Find its area and perimeter. Means radius is given of semicircle. Radius is given of semicircle and this part is a semicircular plot. It means we want the perimeter and area of semicircle. Radius is equal to 21 meter. Point A, B and center is O. Question number 3. If radius is equal to 21 meter, then area of semicircle, is equal to pi r square upon 2. Pi means 22 upon 7 into radius r. R means 21. Square of 21 is 21 into 21 upon 2. 2 1s are 2, 7, 11 2s are 22. Next, in denominator 7, 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. Then value is 11 3s are 33 multiply by 21. 21 into 3, 63. 63 3 carry 6, 21 3s are 63 plus 6, 69. Then value is 693 square meter is the area of semicircle. Next, perimeter of semicircle is equal to pi r plus 2r. Pi r plus 2r. Pi r means 22 upon 7 into r. R means radius. Radius is equal to 21 plus 2 into radius 21. 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. It means 22 3s are 66 plus 21 2s are 42. Value is 108 meter is the perimeter of semicircle. Okay, this is the basic part of exercise 15.1. okay, now you can solve remaining questions of exercise 15.1. if you having any doubt, then you can comment me. Okay, remaining part in next class. Thanks.